Oh, this is that famous poem. Okay, I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Okay, okay. Nice.
This is an octopus having 9 legs, sir. In English, there are 9 parts of speech: noun, verbs, pronoun, adjective, articles, adverb, conjunction, preposition, and intersection. First, there was only 8 parts of speech. Now one more is added to that is articles, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice. Interesting representation. Nouns, verbs, pronouns, adjectives. Wow. That's interesting. Okay. Good.